back to another video, and today we are going to be looking at something that I built, and it might be a nuke. So anyway, guys, I just want to show you what this thing does. It's not complete yet. It's kind of wonky right now. But if I flip this switch, the radar spins. Okay, now here's the control center. Here's just some random stuff I put here. Okay, so I'm gonna just get this nuke ready. Then you jump on the nuke. And I glitch out just a little bit. Don't worry, guys. I got this. Don't worry, please. Don't worry, I got this. Okay, nuke has been launched. Now we have a nuke. Uh-oh, nuke is coming back for base. Let's go for yellow. Okay, just kidding. Let's not go for yellow.
Psych!
Nuke is still alive! Nuke! I repeat, nuke is still alive! I haven't really made it so it falls apart when it blows up yet, so I still have nuke. So I'm working on a project right now. This is gonna be a next video, but yeah, it's a small home, right? Right? Wrong. It's not small. I'm not gonna show you where. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. I'm not gonna show you where this is because I would spoil the video that's coming up. There's one thing I have to test. Wait, what is this? Hey guys, I didn't load anything in. Wow. Let's go. Can you find the mistake? Okay, so this is what we're gonna be working with today. It's nowhere near finished, so let's get into time lapse.
Money that I don't
Okay, guys, we are back, and I spent literally all this time making this one-way glass. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I bet this is probably not gonna get that many views and not even any likes, so, and no comments. So. Well, just all I have to say is like and sub and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever we put out a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.